Okay, the next thing we're going to make is some foaming hand soap. So for that you'll need an empty foaming hand soap dispenser. This is one that I've used a couple of times now, so we're just doing a refill. You can even use other foaming hand soap dispensers that you finish with, like this empty thieves one. Now the items you're going to need is you will need a Castile organic liquid soap. You're also going to need sweet almond oil, and you're going to use some essential oils. So this is for children and it's for skin, delicate skin. So we're going to use a lavender wellness oil. We're going to use a bit of thieves essential oil blend, and we're going to use a bit of lemon essential oil for that grease cutting power. Now optional, but I like to use it, is some natural glycerine, which just adds some thickness to it, and also some vitamin E, which also just adds to some of those therapeutic qualities of the soap. So once again, this is for children and also for people with delicate skin, especially those who suffer from some skin ailments like my children. So what we're going to do is we're going to, in order to make 250 mils of the soap, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the castile soap. Need to make sure you've got good quality castile. Should be made only from olive oil. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the glycerine. Tablespoon of glycerine, and then we're going to switch to our teaspoon. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of, actually we'll start with the olive oil. So we're going to start with 1 teaspoon of almond oil, sorry, 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. If you want, you could use a different curry oil. Sweet almond oil has got good properties for this though. And we're going to add our 1 teaspoon of vitamin E extract. Vitamin E is definitely the most expensive ingredient in this particular hand soap. But in saying that, we're using only 1 teaspoon, so we're not talking about a lot. Okay, I'll just put that in the water there, so we're not going to waste any of that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add our oils. So we're going to use our lavender oil. I'm just going to add 5 drops of that. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to add, I'm actually going to swap out the lemon for orange. So orange, we're going to go 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. This is going to smell pretty good too. And we're going to add 2 drops of thieves for a bit of that immune booster. 1, 2. Okay. And then all we simply do now is top it up with some water. Pop in our top. Give it a good shake. And that's it. That's our foaming, either hand soap or body wash. In our case, we use it as a body wash. So, a couple of squirts, and then you can see that's nice, thick body wash. What it won't do, it's not going to defat the skin. It's only going to nourish it, and it's not going to have those harmful ingredients that your other body soaps do. So shower or bath, excellent way to make some truly skin friendly body soap, unlike some of the ones that we've bought that have supposedly been kid friendly and skin friendly, and are definitely the opposite of that.